Hello friends, welcome to Tips for Life YouTube channel. Today, I am going to explain about best hidden benefits of curry leaves. Okay, let's go to the video. Curry leaves, also known as Kadi patta, are a staple ingredient in Indian cuisine. They are often used to add a unique flavor and aroma to dishes, but did you know that they also offer a host of health benefits? In this video, we will explore some of the best hidden benefits of curry leaves that may surprise you. Number 1. They are rich in antioxidants. Curry leaves are packed with antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. These powerful compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Number 2. They may help lower cholesterol levels. Curry leaves contain a compound called carbazole alkaloids, which have been shown to lower cholesterol levels in the body. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and other related health conditions. Number 3. They may help with diabetes management. Curry leaves have been found to have anti-diabetic properties. They contain a compound called mahanimbine, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This can help manage diabetes and prevent complications associated with the disease. Number 4. They may help with weight management. Curry leaves have been found to have anti-obesity properties. They contain a compound called hydroxycitric acid, which has been shown to reduce appetite and prevent weight gain. This can help with weight management and prevent obesity-related health conditions. Number 5. They may help with digestion. Curry leaves are rich in fiber, which can help with digestion and prevent constipation. They also contain a compound called quercetin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe stomach pain and discomfort. In conclusion, curry leaves are not just a flavorful ingredient, but also a superfood that offers a host of health benefits. From reducing cholesterol levels to managing diabetes and promoting weight management, curry leaves can be a great addition to your diet. So, next time you cook Indian cuisine, don't forget to add a handful of curry leaves to your dish. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for next videos. Goodbye.